Well, check it out. This is not a tornado. It's what's called a waterspout off the coast of North Carolina, one of several that formed in the area this morning.
Carol and I were just discussing during the break, a waterspout is an intense column vortex or non-supercell tornado, usually appearing as a funnel-shaped cloud over water. And yes, America, we used those exact words. And another word we can use for the forecast, humidity.
And Brian Goddard is standing over there laughing because he does not believe that for 1 second.
That's how we talk in the newsroom all the time.
Heck yes.
Oh, yeah, right.
So if that waterspout goes on land, what is it then?
Well, then it's not a waterspout because it's not over water. It becomes a tornado.
They do pay attention. Ding, 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 ding.
That was a pretty basic question.
We talk like this all the time. Last night, most of us picked up about 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of rain, but then there were those spots that had those heavy downpours. Burlington over 1 inch, the Kenosha Airport almost 2.5, Eagle almost 3 inches of rain. And then you get Pleasant Prairie and Newman Park, just southwest of downtown Kenosha, that had 5 to 6 inches of rain. And that wasn't over like 6-7 hours. That was like 2 hours or less. So flash flooding became a major problem last night, obviously. You can see out in Waukesha right now, just a few clouds, 79 degrees. And as George mentioned, it is humid out there. That's just the start of it. It's going to get worse over the next couple of days. It has cooled down along the lakefront after a high of around 83 in Milwaukee. We're down to 76. It's in the low to mid 80s as you go further inland. We did have that high of 83 here, as well as Chicago, 88 in La Crosse, and then look at the 90s to the south. Not expecting 90s the next couple of days, but we are going to warm up and it will become more humid. That dew point right now in the upper 60s. You can feel it when you're outside, and it's going to get even worse the next couple of days as these 70s, that tropical steamy air, moves in here over the next couple of days. In fact, this is what it looks like on the dew point scale. Tomorrow will be sticky with dew points in the mid to upper 60s. And then for Wednesday, it'll be uncomfortable as dew points get into the lower 70s. It won't be the greatest, but it's short-lived. And it's all because of this warm front that's going to be pushing on through. We're going to have those dew points rise even higher than they are right now. It is quiet this evening. We have a 10% chance of a shower popping up between now and about 8 o'clock. The better chance of storms to our south, where they have a severe thunderstorm watch, Indiana, and for the Chicagoland area. But for us, just a slight chance this evening. Then it's quiet, some patchy fog overnight. Tomorrow, for the most part, is quiet as well. But then we get late tomorrow night, sometime after midnight into early Wednesday morning. Could see some heavy downpours, maybe another inch to some isolated 2-inch amounts, and then the potential for some severe thunderstorms later Wednesday evening. There is a slight risk for Wednesday evening, watching those storms coming in from the west. Not expecting severe weather tomorrow night, just some heavy rain, which the Kenosha area hopes it misses them. 80 and humid tomorrow after some morning fog. Very humid, and 86 for Wednesday. The cold front comes through. Thursday and Friday will be in the 70s. Still a little on the humid side, but not as thick. Then Saturday, some thunderstorms and 82, and humid on Sunday and 78. Folks are saying, come on, enough with this. I'm like, it's the dog days of summer. It's supposed to be like, it could be 100.
That's right.
It's not.
It could be 20 below in February.
Absolutely.
I'm not going to complain.
That's what most people are thinking. Thank you.